I hope you're ready to get to know a new waterproof ink, because we just received the new Monsoon Ink series by Krishna, and we needed to do an ink review anyway. So we're going to go ahead and feature the Krishna Rainwater Ink as to this week's ink review. The Monsoon Ink series has 3 inks in it, and 2 of them are designated as waterproof, and the third is described as being water resistant. And they did specifically concoct this ink series as a means of presenting some waterproof and water resistant inks. And we always do a water test with all of our inks that we feature in our ink reviews, but it's more fun when it's described as waterproof. So let's see how this goes. First, I'll do the dry test. So I'm going to put down a writing sample here. And in case you missed it, I am using a Pilot Explorer with a fine nib here with all the writing samples in this video for this ink review. And I'm writing in a Rhodia A6 spiral notepad. I'll make sure to put a link to the full written up ink review on the fountain pen blog at pinchley.com in the description so that you don't miss anything. All right, this is the dry test, and it actually went so well. It was drying so fast. For the last one, I just threw Krishna down as fast as I could and then went ahead and swiped it immediately and called it 3 seconds because this ink dries really fast. So I just called that one 3 seconds, and then I moved on to the water test. And for the water test, I just wrote down a paragraph worth of writing, and then I let it sit for a minute so it was completely dry. And then I went ahead and got a wet cotton swab and ran it over it. And I would call this waterproof, folks. I think they did a great job. And let's take a look at how these dried on the coloring ink test card. First I did a paintbrush swatch, and then I followed that with a cotton swab swatch, and then this is just a quick writing sample with that same Pilot Explorer fine nib. Take a look at all the details at the fountain pen blog at pinchley.com and shop your Krishna Monsoon series inks while they're in stock. Subscribe for more at Pinchley.